How to turn your selfie into a Nano Banana 3D figurine. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. Today, I'll show you guys how you can easily turn your selfie into a 3D Nano Banana figurine. It's a quick, fun, and super realistic method, so let's just jump right in. First thing you need to do is go to Gemini and search for Gemini. Go to gemini.google.com. And right here on your home screen, you can find this option called Create Image. Click on it, and you can just go ahead and type this in, create an image of my own custom minifigure as a superhero. It will easily give you the automatic prompt. So you can upload an image. Click on this plus icon over here, and then click on add from drive, or you can just upload file from your PC directly. I'll just upload my file. I'll just upload a random picture here. So I'm going to go ahead and continue on with this one right here and send this. Tap on the send button, copy the same prompt. So I'll just copy this and then paste it over here. Hit the send button. You just need to wait for a bit, and it's going to automatically start generating the image for you. And as you can see here, it has automatically created a 3D figurine for your image. You can even do further customization, like adding different designs like casual, superhero, fantasy, or even professional look. Then you can adjust other features like your poses, outfits, colors, the base of your design, and more. That is basically it, guys. Now you can easily download this image by hovering your mouse over this. Click on this download full size option, and it will automatically start downloading the image for you. That's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.